Yeah, in my opinion, nepotism is definitely not good when there is no skill or no talent still in the name of one family name or something. They're getting opportunity. Then that is ultimately it is very bad for our society because some good talents from different villages or remote villages they won't get any opportunity because they don't have any proper background or influence. It is just like when going company when freshers they don't have any reference, it's difficult to get the for them a new job even though they having good in all the talents, they have everything skill, but still they cannot entry into their respective field because of no background. So in Bollywood also definitely I should not agree for nepotism. There are many people from decades they are continuing with their generations like Sri Devi family or many people they are getting opportunity based on their family and they having its own production house. That is the problem. They will create their own production house and they will invest on money for their children. So how to control that? I don't have any idea. So they having own production. Ultimately, it is first they will see for their family, then for rest like Yash Chopra, uh, Chopra family, and big production house. And in politics also. So one of my favorite person, Rahul Gandhi, is sitting in good position since long because of Gandhi family. Since he don't have any credibility, still he is enjoying power based on the even not only Rahul Gandhi. Many people are there, not even in Congress. There are many parties in BJP or something. Father is in MLA or MP, but they will give ticket to their son or family. Even though Karnataka also, the chief minister, both son are in politics, active politics. So definitely nepotism is not at all good when they should give a platform to talent instead of their family.
Okay,
Uh,
Devi bhai,
yeah, over to
actually my view is very
yeah,
different from your view because
yeah,
due to Sushant case, many people today we are talking about nepotism, ki there is a nepotism is Bollywood, but I think
yeah,
ki why this is bad? Because whatever you are doing, you are also doing for your family and your child also. You can take example of myself. If I am earning money, so definitely I am going to save money for my child. Okay. And suppose I have a business, I am going to hand over my business to my child. I am not going to hand over my business to anyone else. But I don't know why people are talking about nepotism is bad. I don't think this is bad because suppose you are taking example of S. Chopra. If S. Chopra has make some money, definitely he is going to hand over to their children because he has earned money for their children, not for everyone. And I think you have taken example of Sri Devi. Actually, I am totally disagree with your point because just we can take example of ourselves also. If you are earning money, definitely you are earning money for your family, not for others. Yes, uh, if we are running any industry at a large scale, then we can find yes this is not good. If suppose just I'm taking example of Narayan Murthy, if he is doing good, he is doing for their children, then we can raise hand because there are many people who are more proficient compared to their child. So they should get the chance. Also you can take example of Tata. Tata has just hand over their all the credibility to, I think, Cyrus Mistry. I think actually I'm not remembering name. So in that case, there is no nepotism, but
no,
in
no. Yeah.
yes, yes, Devi bhai.
Yeah, see, first time okay, second time okay, but always the same family getting opportunity. That is not correct, right? Even though they are like in public in the movie Bollywood, so many people they will giving message to in that movie. So it is they are in public life. In public life, they should not do like business and all. It is okay. It is for individual firm. The owner is individuals. It's okay. So it is different. The firm means it is services, but movie field it is not like that. They will give many difference in society in one movie. So, but same people, same family getting again and again and again, many opportunity. But still, it is. I also agree that the same family they are investing on their own family. But when they hate other family persons, that is not good, right? They will not allow other family or other background people entry into Bollywood.
Okay, Devi bhai, just I want to
Yeah,
interrupt you. You know, if
yeah,
we are talking about nepotism, also we are aware, if you have talent, then you can get success in your life or in your Bollywood industry. If you have not talent,
yeah,
then you are not going to get. You can take example of Sheikh Bachchan, Tushar Kapoor. There are many person, Aditya, Suraj Pancholi. There are many. They are following the concept of nepotism, but they are not successful now. Why? Because they have not talent. And also you can take many examples. There are some very good actors who are really talented. They are getting benefit of that. Only nepotism is only for start your career, because nepotism is not going to help every time, because you have caliber, you have talent, then you can survive in Bollywood industry. If you have not talent, after one movie, two movie, you can flop, and we can find many examples. So I think nepotism is only good for starting purpose, not for your success or not for long career also. I think you can't tell me any example where nepotism is from starting to end. Because if suppose I am a producer, I am going to produce one movie or two movie or three movie for my son also. If if I am getting losses in every movie, maybe after fourth or fifth movie I will try to another hero who is more talented to my son. But for starting purpose, I think nepotism is good, and it should be, because we also supporting our brother and son, daughter, everyone we are supporting. That's why I'm saying. Otherwise, if you are going to talk about if someone is supporting their child again and again, again and again, that is bad thing. In my opinion, this is bad.
yeah. That also one of the reason, because it's their own production also. They having all solo rights to take decision whenever they want. Yeah, that is also
Devi
okay.
bhai, just I
Mm,
want to take name of
yeah,
one is producer Vasu Bhagnani. I think you have heard about that. Producer. Uh, he had make some really good movie with collaboration of David Dhawan and Govinda. Also, they have produced near about 5 to 10 movies. When Vasu Bhagnani launched uh, his child, I think name is. See, I'm not getting name. Only he produced 2 or 3 movie with his child. After that, he is not producing. He is not supporting his child, because his child is not so much talented. But I think nepotism only for starting purposes, not for every time. So I don't think nepotism is bad. Actually, this is my opinion.
yeah. See why we are people are saying nepotism, nepotism, because you see the Bollywood, all people you name few, those are don't have any the known background, popular background. Everybody coming from the background where their father or a grandfather are in product, even in uh, movie field. You name any persons in Bollywood, those who don't
Because
have background.
Devi bhai, they are producing
Yeah,
their you can say family. Because what happens, suppose I have
yeah,
started a business, always I want ki my son should run this business, again my grandson run this business. They are doing the same. They are doing nothing extra. They are
yeah,
just
correct.
following the concept. Just you can take example of Prithviraj Kapoor, then Raj Kapoor, then Rishi Kapoor, then Ranbir Kapoor. Definitely the son of Ranbir Kapoor is also going to follow the same concept, because this is a hierarchy which is already set by the elder one. So this is my view. Actually, we have a Dhruv and Amit Bhai also. So
Uh,
Amit Bhai, you can
if
put up the point. Yes.
yeah, our non-stop Shatabdi Express, Dhruv is
Yes.
back.
Yes.
Yes. Um, yeah,
Also Prakhar.
definitely.
Also
I think
Prakhar.
what's the
Yes.
Oh,
yeah,
that
I
is atom bomb.
yeah, I think what's the Pradeep I have to say. Agree with your statement, because in the situation concern, that everyone, if the father and their uncle have in the field of like a doctor, so they prefer in the same field in the future. And if you know for the politician, so generally the PG champion have the son who is also. So I think that's the hierarchy it going on. And after that, maybe that if the parents have not in the I think student are not in the interested, so definitely have to be changed to another field. So I think nepotism in the sense of mm, maybe I think person and the parents and bonded child they have also nepotism. So I think situation when the situation it's a good and in this case. And I think it's a bad maybe because the genuine situation, genuine uh, talented in the case of Bollywood, they have not given right time and right choice, right person. So that time it's a bad, according to me. That's a point. I just thought.
Okay.
Okay, over
Okay, Dhruv
to
bhai.
Dave
Dhruv bhai.
Bhai.
Hmm. Okay, so according to me, like if we will talk about nepotism in Bollywood, and we have to also talk about nepotism in politics.
Yes,
Do we have? Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
This is general topic.
So okay. So when it comes about politics, there is no doubt if your father is a leader or if your father is a minister, they want you to become also, if you want, you have more and more and more options that you can become a, next leader. The example is so many example are there. But also if you have guts to do something, just take example of Narendra Modi. He has no any background, okay, but still he is now PM and everyone is following him. I don't know why, but yeah, everyone is following just because of his eloquent speech. This is the one of the vast region for his, but it's okay. At least he has no any kind of hierarchy, okay, and he has done a great. But he also worked so like firstly he was a CM, and before that he also did so many things. So we need more and more hard work, and it is also apply in a Bollywood. But in a Bollywood, little bit it is okay. Uh, so like every single father, even just take a simple example of yours, okay, if we are a father or we are a brother or elder brother, so we definitely want our kids or our younger brother to do the same like we are doing. And if we are in that post, or if we have that kind of power, so definitely our younger one has that kind of privilege that we can provide them, and nothing is wrong about that. That's why every single father work hard so they can provide everything that they didn't get in their life, okay, to their kids. So nothing is wrong about that, it is awesome. But if you are just comparing, like if you are denying the actual talent, if that is coming in front of you just because of your nepotism, just because of your relatives, like they are your relatives, they are your kids, then definitely it is wrong. But if you will talk about, is it impossible for those people who have a talent to get selected or to become like actor? No, it is not impossible. There are so many examples. Vajpayee and Ayushmann Khurrana and Kangana Ranaut, so many actors who had just like Nawazuddin Siddiqui, they don't have any kind of rich background. They were not born in a silver spoon. They were from very normal background, but still they somehow managed. But what is the difference? If you are from actual rich family or from rich background, a person who is a director, you can become an actor at the age of 22. It is very easy. But a person at the same time, if you are a normal person, you have to work hard, you have to work more, and you can become an actor at the age of 27, 28. So only the like some year gap, just because they have those privileges, like they don't have to work for that, they already have. But you have to show, you have to work for everything, you have to fight for everything. take example of Sushant Singh Khurana. He struggled a lot, he worked a lot, and so we can also give example of him as an actor, and many people loved him also, and still now he's more loved by so many people. And I think after that, also before that, there was such kind of thing, but now it is more okay. And you know, just after this debate has like started, just after like Sushant died, I stopped watching Karan Johar, Coffee with Karan. Before that, I used to watch that show, but I realized actually, I also realized in that show only they call a person who is from either from rich family, I mean rich background, rich like from Kapoor's background, and from there are so many Bachchan and all those things. And it is okay. Again, I just earlier, nothing is wrong about that. It is up to us. We have freedom. Our constitution gives us freedom to do that. But if you are making mockery, and if you are just trying to fun of other people, sometime it had happened. Like also it happened with Sushant Singh Rajput, and I have watched some clips. So I realized that okay, I think I don't need to watch. So I quit that. Quit that. So at the last, what I want to say, at least for now, definitely nepotism is everywhere. Okay, even nowadays there is there are more transparency in a government job. That's why no one can like directly, they can uh, by the means of force or by the means of power or money, they can't just provide job to their kids in a government field. But somehow they are also doing, there are so many vendors for it. Just take example of SSC. It had happened, so they are giving money, but it is not possible in the all places. So we have more and more transparency. And nowadays, if someone has talent, like like we are talking about Bollywood, so if some people have talent, they don't need to go for any people. They can use so many platforms, and if they have actual talent, they are gonna loved by every single people. But yeah, they need more and more hard work. They have to create everything by their own.
Okay,
So
Dhruv
this
bhai,
is the
I
difference
think
for those
nepotism
people
is
who are
only
working.
good for a starting purpose, not for every, because anyhow you have to show your talent if you want to survive
Mm-hmm.
in Bollywood. Definitely you have to show your talent. As you mentioned, yes,
Exactly.
due to nepotism, you can get chance to work in a movie at the age of 16,
Yeah.
17, 18, whatever age you can get due to only nepotism. But that is not going to happen for a long time. Your first movie is success, you got success in second movie, then you can survive. Otherwise you are going to destroy your career, because it's totally depend upon your talent. Also you can take example of Athia Sekti, Suraj Pancholi, Kumar Gaurav. There are many example. They just launched by their father, but now they are nowhere because they have no such talent.
Mm-hmm.
Also, you can take example of Abhishek Bachchan. If Abhishek Bachchan have worked in various movie, I think he has worked in 20 to 30 movies, but he is not so much popular as you can take example of Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Manoj Bajpayee. There are many actors who are really doing good. Also you can take example of Pankaj Tripathi, because they survive in Bollywood only due to their talent, not due to nepotism. But I think nepotism is not bad. As you mentioned, we can consider example of ourselves. We are earning money for our child, and we are going to shift that whole money and what property we have earned to our child, and child is going to hand over to their child. This is ongoing process, so we can't deny this. Also, you maintain in politics, yes, there is a nepotism, but I don't think this is bad. But at some position, we can consider this is bad if we are denying some talented people. Suppose I am working in a party, and we have. I have 10 to 15 people, and I know some people are very much talented than my child. Then that time I can say yes, nepotism is not good. But in most of cases, I don't think. Suppose I am a producer, so I definitely I want to invest my money with my child. If my child gets success, then I am happy. Otherwise, I have two options. no, I can invest money for other actor also. So it's, I think this is, how you think is totally depend upon this, because you have taken example of PM Modi. There are many examples, but I think in my view, nepotism is not so bad as we think, as we're talking about everywhere due to Sushant Singh Rajput.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so I don't think
Yeah.
so. Okay, Devi Bhai and Amit Bhai.
Yeah, actually, the Dhruv is spoken very well regarding starting from Bollywood and ending with the politics and all. But the nepotism is not at came in cricket, I guess, because the cricket they should prove themselves. Otherwise, they won't get chance again and again. As for an example, Sachin Tendulkar son still is struggling to get in one day team, or Sunil Gavaskar son. So the cricket is we cannot uh, influence on based on family background, but otherwise everywhere nepotism is there. They are casting their own son or family. We don't have any option to avoid that. There is yeah, it is good only, but yeah, that's it.
Actually, no, Devi Bhai.
Almost yeah.
The area where you have to show your talent, there is no nepotism. As you have mentioned about cricket, you can take example of
Yeah.
any sports, because in sports you have to show your real talent, then you can survive. Otherwise, no, after 2 or 3 matches, nobody is going to ask you. As you mentioned example of Arjun Tendulkar, Rohan Gavaskar, I think there are many players. And also you can take
Yes, yes,
example of,
yes.
I
Yeah.
think someone is
Yes,
Binny.
yes,
He is playing in IPL,
and
but yes, Amit Bhai.
yes, one player is Irfan Pathan and Yusuf Pathan. So they also get their an hat-trick uh, in the match of Pakistan. In it, first hat-trick maybe in the test match, and after that they are maybe less match because they are all-rounder, and that time his performance have great. After that, Irfan Pathan have where have he gone? Nobody knows. So I think they maybe even you can say about the Yuvraj Singh, they have played well, and after that few matches they have totally removed from the team. There is competition, but earlier in the Saurabh Ganguly time, the many player have many matches given more chances. But after Dhoni and the Virat Kohli have given restrict chances if they have not play well, so have restriction and they remove from the team because I think they will the competition maybe in my point of view.
Actually, Amit Bhai, nowadays
Because,
competition is
yes,
very tough, and due
yes,
to
yes,
IPL, we see many talent nowadays. Before IPL,
yes, yes,
I think there was
yes,
no such a big tournament where you can find some good talent. But due to IPL, we are getting so much talent every year. If you are going to drop any player, we have many substitute for that. Also, you can take example of
yes,
Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Now Dhoni has just retired.
yes,
We have substitute
yes,
as like
yes,
Rishabh Pant, KL Rao, Sanju Samsung. We have
mm,
so talented player now. But in that time,
yes,
actually there was no any IPL, so we have no idea. Only we choose player due to Ranji Trophy, and I think that is not example of nepotism, because Irfan Pathan has played I think 7 to 8 years for India. But when your performance is degrading, no team is going to hire you, and no team is going to select you. You can take example of Rahul
but
Dravid. I think Rahul Dravid is a very good player of cricketer, one of the best test
yes,
cricketer
yes,
of the world. But what happened? After
yes, yes,
2010, what happened? Just team has dropped him. Why? Because he was not performing well in a test as well in the ODI.
Yeah.
Also, you can take example of Sachin Tendulkar, Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
yes, yes.
I think this
Yeah.
But
is area where
yes,
you have
yes,
to
I
show your
agree, I
talent.
agree,
Okay,
I
Dhruv
agree,
bhai.
bhai, Pradeep bhai. Yes, I agree,
Yeah.
Pradeep
Actually, I
bhai.
am very
But
big
in the
fan of
case,
Rahul Dravid. That's why I'm saying.
yes, yes, but in the time of Saurabh Ganguly, they are given an immense time opportunity to every player, even not performing well.
Yes, you are right.
Even the Zahir Khan.
No, you
Yes.
are right.
But after that, trend have to change when the Dhoni have to become, and Virat Kohli have also given very little chance as compared to Dhoni to every player, I think. So that's the
Actually, I
competition.
think this
Yeah.
is very different topic, no, of our discussion. So
Yes,
try
yes.
to move that
Yeah,
portion. We can
yes, more
discuss a
change.
lot anytime on this sports,
Yes, yes.
because this is
Yeah.
okay. So
Also, I
why-
think, but also, like, I'm I'm not a fan of cricket, and even I don't watch cricket. But the one thing, no matter it's a cricket, it's a Bollywood or whatever it is, uh, you need to work hard. If you want to get into anything, there are so many people, and nowadays in cricket also you will find, maybe there are some boys who is the minister, who is the son of minister. So if they are also talented and their father is minister, so they have more privilege. So in this part you need to work more and more. I mean, I think, at least when it comes about cricket nowadays, so many people are playing cricket. So for getting, if you want to make your career in a cricket, you need to work. Even then, even I can say, more than you are working for your UPSC preparation, more than 12 hours, 13 hours a day. You have to work, every single day. Then anyone can do something. And also, it is true in other sector. It is also true in politics. It is also true in Bollywood. You have to work so hard.
Yeah.
You have to work so hard, just because,
Yes.
first of all, you have a competition with those people who are equal like you, and also with those people who are equal, but also they have privilege just because their father is a director and actor.
Yes,
So
yes.
that's
But
why in this time you have.
yes, yes. I think in the present situation, the Arjun Award have given to many Indian players have the nomination, and why not for the Olympic? Because the Indian government also focusing in the cricket and BCCI, and I think must be given to the Olympic player like the Amit and Amit San something Amit something that they have a very good boxer. So have also given for
For
the
Olympic,
Arjun Award.
you need real talent. No one
Yes, yes.
can
So
do the
why
Olympic.
not government have given also? They have not investing not much money as compared to cricket.
No, no,
And even you can say
Amit Bhai, now
yes,
government is giving
yes,
5 crore rupees. If you win any gold medal in Olympic, you are going to get,
yes,
get 5 crore rupees. I think that is not a less money. Also, you are going to first class jobs. So government is providing many things, but in Olympic you have to compete with 400 countries. But in cricket, very short game. You can get success if you played 2 or 3 matches. Just you have scored a century, you can be very famous. But in
yes,
Olympic, this is very tough to get one gold medal.
Yeah.
We are
In Olympic, you have to work entire 4 years, and then you have one chance to get selected firstly. Then you
yes.
somehow you can perform there. So it
And
is a
and wha-
very,
and what about the
Mhm.
national game? Our the kabaddi and the hockey. Earlier, Dhyan Chand have also well performed well and so gold medal. And up till now, what a
actually, I
position
think our
the
topic
cricket
has
have to
just
replace.
shifted to
It's going.
we are talking about nepotism, but we have just
Yeah.
closed the sports. If we were
into
talking about the sports, Amit bhai, we can talk next time.
Yes.
Okay, a lot of about the
Mm.
sports. Okay, I think
Okay.
I will set a
Okay.
small
Sorry for
topic
you.
about Olympic.
Yeah.
Why India is not
Yeah.
doing
Yeah.
good at Olympic Games. So we can discuss tomorrow also on this topic. Okay.
And I think
Yeah.
Indian government also prefer for the national game at least kabaddi and the hockey. So much investment is needed.
No, Amit bhai, what happening? Because Indian
Yes.
government is generating so much money due to cricket. If you are talking
Yes.
about in
Yes.
this is the
sponsorship,
only reason.
only
This is
reason
the only
because they
reason.
are making so much money from the cricket. Because
Yeah.
Vivo last year gave IPL to 440 crore. And if you are going to
Yes.
consider only 10%, at least Indian government is making 44 crore from that sponsorship. Also, franchises giving money. So there are a lot of
Yeah.
money they are making due to cricket. That's why
Exactly.
they
And
are
people are
promoting cricket
also, like, more and more people, they
Yes.
don't like to watch. If there is a kabaddi in a stadium, how many people will go there? But if there is a cricket, so many people will be in a stadium. Maybe sometime the stadium will be totally full of public. So that's why
Yes.
there are more and more sponsorship if someone is playing cricket in their t-shirt,
Okay,
in a ground.
Dhruv bhai, Devi bhai,
Yes.
Amit bhai, I think now we should stop
Yes.
this discussion. Tomorrow we will discuss
Yes.
about Olympic Games because we have totally
Yeah.
shifted to
Yes.
this topic. So I think this is time to close it. Okay, Devi bhai.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Sure, Pradeep, brother.
Okay, so tomorrow we will talk about Olympics. So prepare yourself
Yeah.
to speak more
Amit,
and more
don't
on
miss.
the Olympic Games.
Amit, don't miss tomorrow.
Yes,
Okay.
because
Okay.
we are going
Yes.
to discuss about IPL, cricket, national game, Olympic game, Commonwealth game. Okay, so prepare and some
Yes.
gather some statistical data so you can present.
Yes.
Yes, this
Yes.
is true and this is
Yes.
fact. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
thank you,
Okay.
Amit bhai.